So friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to play Please Donate on Roblox. So before starting you have to create or make a game pass on Roblox. So first of all, let's create a game pass on Roblox and go to roblox.com. Make sure you enable the desktop site mode. Now tap on this create tab to create game pass. So after the new update guys, if you haven't create any game pass, you have to follow a full process because the interface has been changed completely after the new update. So to create game pass guys, you have to tap on this experience by default, and now to create game pass you have to tap on this menu button and you have to tap on this associate items. So in associate item you will find passes, so you just tap on it. So in this passes section you can create a game pass, then you can later set up a stand using this game pass on please donate. So just tap on this create a pass button to create game pass. So now you have to upload the image, enter the name and tap on create pass to create game pass. So let's upload the image. Let's upload this image and now you can enter the name. Now you can enter the description here if you want, but it is not mandatory or compulsory. Now you can tap on this create button to create a game pass. Once you created game pass, now you have to set it up for the sale. So since the game pass will be used as a donation button in please donate game, so you have to set it up for the sale. So first of all, if you have created once you created the game pass, now tap on the newly created game pass. Now just tap on menu again and go to sale option. Now enable this item for the sale and now you can enter the price here. So I'm gonna enter 100 robux. So you can see that the creator will get 70% of it. It means I will get 70 robux out of, and 30 will be kept by roblox team. So just tap on this save changes. So once you enable the item for the sale, now it's time to play please donate on roblox. So let's open the roblox app and launch a roblox app. Now just tap on the please donate. If you haven't played yet, you can search it from here to find the please donate. So you can type PLS. So PLS and you will find this please donate suggestion at the top and you can tap on it to play. Just tap on this play button and your please donate game will be played. Now if you want to play, you have to go for the any empty stand. So so you can see this is an empty stand. So guys, to add your game pass here, you have to hold this stand button and your game pass will be listed here. So I recently created a game pass of 100 robux, as you can see, and it is a ice cream one. So yeah, that's how you can do it. And if you want to change the text of the top of the booth, then you can tap on it, or you can have to hold the stand button again and enter your text here. So you can type PLS donate fine, or you can type other text as well. How to play PLS, donate, and just apply. And you, as you can see, that the text has been changed. And yeah, now if someone buy game pass from your stand, then you will get 70% of it, and that's how it works. So the all the donation buttons here will be purchasable by the anyone who is in this server. So if someone try to buy, they can, and you can appeal them. Also you can talk to them by chat option and ask them to buy. So yeah, that's how it works, and hope you like it. So that's how you can play the please donate, and it names reflect what does it mean and what in which context this game is made. So definitely it's made for the donation. So hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.